Another important piece of COVID-19 news has to do with the race for a successful vaccine, which continues, and one of the front runners is called mRNA-1273. It's developed by a Massachusetts-based biotech company called Moderna. Now, this week they entered phase 3 of testing for that vaccine, which means rolling it out to be tested on about 30,000 people across the country, including a few hundred here in Las Vegas. Today, I sat down with potentially one of the very first people on the planet to get a COVID-19 vaccination.
I don't have kids at home anymore, but I have 3 grandkids, and I told one of them the other day. He said, "Why are you participating in this?" And I said, "I'm not doing it for me, I'm doing it for you." He said, "This is about possibly being able to identify and accomplish a vaccine result that will help people."
This is Ed, retired, relaxed, healthy, COVID-free.
In their words, I checked most of the boxes that they wanted to concentrate on in terms of having a wide cross-section of the population to sample.
So Friday, Ed arrived at the Wake Research Clinic for his physical exams, to fill out lots of paperwork and get an injection.
It was right about here. Everything's very normal. I feel fine today. No fever, no chills, no any of that stuff they mentioned on the survey questions last night.
Ed's already filled out a few online reports documenting how the injection is affecting him.
I downloaded this app. Yesterday it was in person, but my next scheduled appointment is later in August.
They don't move to phase 3 unless it's considered safe enough based on the data they have, and unless there's some indication that it's going to be effective.
Probably takes 5 minutes.
Those reports Ed fills out could go on for as long as 2 years. Part of the study is also blind, which means Ed has no way of knowing whether he got a placebo shot or the real thing. Either way, Ed says for him, it's a way of serving his community.
If there's anything I can do to participate in that and help the effort, I'm more than willing to do it. To me, it's something of a obligation of citizenship, and I feel very good about that.